grams of sugar is in your drink? 71 grams of sugar.
Really? Oh my god.
Modeling.
And it's more ellipse over here.
This is the right way. Can someone do it for me? Can someone go around? No.
Oh.
Run.
Oh no, that's great. Third one. Hold on. Can I have grape for 2 of them?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll call that.
I got it, but I don't know
Okay.
how to describe it.
Orange.
Still jelly bean grape. I don't know.
Alright. Tell me when it's clear from your mouth and I'll go to the
Crust.
And because it's subducting under, volcanoes are forming new land masses in their place. And we also have over by California smaller earthquakes that are shallow because it's only divergent boundaries and there isn't that much need for reconstruction.
What did you observe when this happened? Okay? So you would just step away, maybe have a seat. So I'm going to let that burn a little bit. Now observe. Okay.
Alyssa, what type of graph do you want us to construct? What type of graph would be best for you to represent this data? I don't know. You don't know. So let me do a review real quick. What are some types of graphs that we worked on before in science? Bar graph. Yeah. Line graph. Plot graph. So that would be our previous knowledge we pulled from. Why did you choose the drink you chose today?
It's delicious. Good.
I had it at my house. You had it at your house. It's good. Tina.
I personally love vanilla flavored I don't know why. It's just something I like. And it's just, it was flavored and it says made with real sugar and I was like, oh, alright. It's made with real sugar compared to the other sugar. Has to be better, right?
Right.
Sidebar, I actually can't taste it.
Number one, it smells like fire now.
So what does the fire do that pulls the egg down?
So I think it's something with the heat and the change. I always go back to change in pressure, but I don't know how accurate change in pressure is.
How does that show that he No, he has black dots in his teeth.
Raspberries have black.
So we put that in writing in the box so we have a thought for it. And we also realize that you also need to analyze different data. You can do the math practices right here, and here it says they analyze givens. And that's exactly what the science practices say. That's what you quoted right from information we have. So we're using that as our set, and we just go through all of that. So the X's for now are what the sheet says are connected, and that plan is to go back.
Now is together we're going to create our guests. So we're going to take a list down of what everyone's drinking. So we're going to make predictions of which drink we think has the most sugar, which drink we think has the least amount of sugar. Then we're going to actually graph it and see that visually. So I should. Alright guys, let's take out our graphs. We're going to continue to look at the data from yesterday. They would have had the chart as their own as well, so they could have worked on it more at home. And I would have had them to both the lines next to each other, so they compare, they would have different ounces, the sugar per ounce base there. So, looking at our graphs, what was our label on our x-axis? What label did we use? Alyssa, drinks. You used the drinks. Is there a more descriptive way to mention drinks? No. So how would you just differentiate between each soda? How would you know which one's which?
Underneath I put Pepsi, vanilla, root beer, sweet tea, and the whole thing underneath is drinks.
Awesome. And what was our y-axis labeled as?
Amount of sugar per serving.
Amount of sugars per serving. Great.
In grams.
In grams. It's important, we've talked about it a few times to make sure that we had grams as well. And our title, what is an example of someone's title? Someone other than Alyssa.
Sugar and drinks per serving.
Sugar and drinks per serving. So take a minute to look. So what do we see? Which one has the most sugar per serving?
Root beer.
The root beer. So that one has the most serving.
Why it has to be so tasty?
Well, it's red. I just like red because it stands out.
How do you figure it out? You just do
Oh, for
sugar
yours?
divided by ounces.
Yeah, sugar divided by ounces, which would give you sugar, which would give you the amount of sugar per ounce. And that would be the most accurate representation. Based off of what we viewed here, which one do we think will have the most sugar?
Per serving?
Sugar per serving, correct. How many people will have the Pepsi lemonade? Vanilla, sorry. No? Minute Maid lemonade. I said for the most. Most. That's what I thought. Root beer. You think the root beer? Alright. And the regular Pepsi?
Yes.
Okay. The purely sweet tea? Raspberry lemonade?